Hello there everyone and welcome back. Now we're going to test out Bilt Hamber Touchless, and you can see there's quite a bit of dirt here, but the car has been coated, so has been protected with wax previously, so it gives it a bit of a dirt repellent advantage. However, we'll see how it will clean the panel regardless. Up close, because this is the dirtiest part of the vehicle, and most of the traffic film is here. Road grime, oils, you name it, more oil, transmission fluid, all kind of gunk gets here. We'll also pump spray first, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it on the whole car. And this 1 liter is more than enough just to do the whole car. We'll pump it up. This is the dirtiest part. I'm gonna do the whole car with this. I added 75 mils to this 1 liter bottle, which I think is quite efficient. Still got some left, although we're not going to spray them on on all of the wheels. Also worth mentioning that I'm working in a very controlled environment. There is no direct sunlight, so you can see there's virtually no dirt left whatsoever. And the pressure washer we used was a Hydro Shot, which is not really, it's not a pressure washer, it's a power washer, and there's not much pressure presented in it. However, it did an awesome job. So considering the fact that the paint itself is coated, but not coated, I mean it was waxed before that. And but yeah, this is really clean. And we're gonna do the contact wash. This is very acceptable before the contact wash. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.